will pick her up from the garden to be mine. Good day guys, Silver again, and welcome to our channel. Again, before anything else, shout out to all of my subscribers. Thank you very much for the increasing view on our channel and also for your never-ending support. By the way, if this is your first time in our channel, please, after watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe. And should you think you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. And also, for purpose of notification, kindly click also the notification bell so that the next time I upload a video, you'll be notified right away. With regards to this video today, all of this is in connection with hard custard. Some misconception is that you only use milk and eggs in preparing a custard. In my previous videos, I have shown you how to use pandan leaves blended with buko water as liquid in preparing a custard. I also have shown you how to use only fresh fruit juice. If you have observed, you just have to double the eggs. But should you think you don't want to double the eggs so as not to increase your cost, you can thicken your juice with cornstarch. I also have shown you how to use milk and powdered fruit juice in preparing a custard. And on the fourth custard, I have shown you how to use coconut milk, the gata in Tagalog, and a fresh fruit juice. Today, I will be using evaporated milk, cocoa powder, and freshly squeezed orange juice to prepare our custard or our flan. By the way, all of the recipes are my version and my signature. Additional knowledge, if you want a stiffer texture of flan or custard, just simply increase the egg whites. If you're using 9 eggs, you can increase your whole eggs to about 4, and then your egg yolks is 5. Or maybe you can use all the whole eggs for a much more stiffer custard or flan. So, let's start. I'll show you how to make the milk, cocoa, and fresh fruit juice mixture in preparing the flan or a custard. Our ingredients: 9 pieces eggs, 7 pieces egg yolks, 2 pieces whole eggs, 3/4 cup fresh orange juice, 3/4 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon instant coffee. First, we'll just have to put together our sugar, our cocoa powder, and our coffee. Then we just have to mix this. Okay. So, okay, our salt and our cornstarch. Next, we will put our milk in our pot, and then turn it on, and also our orange juice, and then we will put our dry ingredients. And then we will bring it to boil until it gets thick. And then we'll just set it aside. We let it cool later before we mix our other ingredients. You just have to stir it very well so that there would be no lumps. After about few minutes, now it's thick. It's thick now, so we'll just set it aside. If you want, you can add butter, maybe around 2 tablespoons of butter to make it glossy. Okay, we will add the butter, 2 tablespoons, and let it melt. Okay, now we'll just have to let this cool. Okay, now to prepare our molds. For our molds, we just have to put 1.5 tablespoons of sugar in it, and then put it in a slow fire, then slowly caramelize it. Okay, and then just set it aside later for when we put our mixture. Okay, now to finish our custard mixture, we'll do this. Okay, now we will put our eggs, 7 eggs, and our 2 whole eggs. Then we'll just have to beat it. And then we will put our chocolate that we cool down. Then we stir it so that it will be well mixed. And then our vanilla. So that we can avoid the lumps. Now there's no lumps. Now we will pour it to our mold. Now it's wrapped in aluminum foil, and now we will just have to steam bake it. Okay. We'll just have to steam bake this for around 40 minutes to 1 hour, okay, in moderate heat, okay, and then afterwards we'll just take it out, let it cool, and then keep it inside the fridge, the refrigerator, to be served the next day, okay. Our Choco orange flan. Our Choco orange flan with some orange slices and as well as sweetened orange rind garnished. Okay. Have a closer look. Here. Now we'll see the texture. will just look at the texture. A very fine Choco orange flan made with 50% milk and 50% fresh orange juice. Okay, of course with eggs. Okay, so there you are, my friend. So guys, that is my version of preparing a custard or a flan using milk, cocoa, and fresh fruit juice mixture. By the way, I use a fresh orange juice, but if you don't want the fresh orange juice, feel free to change it with some other juice. Before I forget, first timer, this is now the time for you to subscribe, press the thumbs up button, as well as the notification bell, so that on my next uploading video, you'll be automatically notified. And also, should you think that this video is worth sharing with your friends, kindly share. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And God bless us all.